What up, y'all? The Jeff Wilson here. Let's add another pit to the arsenal. So what we have here is the Pit Boss Pro Series 1077 vertical smoker, generation 2. I'm right now in the process of doing the burn-in. I have everything coated inside with just some basic non-stick cooking spray. We'll do a burn-in in this, get this thing all set up and going. And actually tonight, we'll be testing this out and see its full potential. I'm gonna be trying to run 4 briskets in here. While doing our burn-in, did find one issue. Should hopefully be able to fix that. There is a gap right in here where smoke is coming out pretty good. Other than that, I'm not noticing. I mean, we are getting some smoke out through this. That's no big deal. Our seal everywhere else is looking good. Just this one corner right here. And that is putting out a lot of heat right there because I can feel it coming off there. So what we have here is 4 select briskets. I went through and all my trimming, I already have 3 of them seasoned up. So what I'm doing first, laying down some mustard, and I'm coming back over it with the Goldees brisket rub. So I'm using the mustard as a binder. And I'm giving it a lot of seasoning. And make sure to get the size. Actually, I got lucky, got these briskets for like $1.98 a pound or something like that. So they're not the best briskets, but for what we're doing here, just trying to feed a lot of people, these are going to work real well. Now we're just going to let everything sit off in the fridge until it's time for us to start smoking. Well, it is a little dark out here, but with this pellet grill, I can set it at night and sleep while my briskets are cooking, or should I say smoking. So I have 4 loaded in this, and I'll see y'all in the morning. While I do have 4 briskets going, I'll also have 4 pork butts on my other smoker. Need to get some better lighting out here. That's soon to come though. It is now the next morning. Before I go outside and start grabbing briskets, I got my butcher paper laid out. Got some Wagyu beef tallow laid down. get them in here on it. So these have been on here so far a total of 10 hours smoking. Real consistent temperatures on here. That one is at 168. That one's also at 168, and these are 163 and 165. So we're gonna go on and get these wrapped and get this thing sped up, get some briskets knocked out. Hey, see, we got all of our briskets wrapped up here now. So it's where I can now crank up this temperature to help speed up the process. Because right now we've been smoking at 220 degrees. I'm going to turn it up to about 250 and finish this off. Okay, y'all, we are almost 14 hours into this smoke. Everything is temping right around 200 degrees. So what I'm going to do right now is pull these off and set these in the cooler until we get ready for my nephew's graduation party. So along with the briskets and pork butts, going to throw in 3 packs of some hot links. Got them all loaded up. So I'm heating up some sausage.